Yeah, we got some vegging out on the couch kind of weather coming our way. It's going to be a wet morning commute too. Now we do have a cold front on the way. I know, and everyone's thinking, wow, this is going to feel great, but it sets us up for what we have going on through the overnight hours and for tomorrow. So you take a look at the current temperatures, 60s to the north and still hovering close to 80 degrees to the southeast. So you kind of pick out right in the middle there. That's about where that front is located, and behind it, look at those dew points. We're going to go from low 70s into the 40s. But we're going to end up with the rain on the cooler side of that front. So we're going to get into that and explain what's going on, because likely some of this rain, thunderstorms, are going to wake you up through the overnight hours. We're also going to be dealing with a lot of rain coming our way. Something a few of us, maybe many of us, probably are like, hey, you know what? Let's get some dry weather going. Well, we'll look for that in the 7-day forecast. It may take all 7 days, but there it is right now where our cold front is moving in. So some of us are enjoying a nice, refreshing feel to the air behind it. But this front is going to stall just to our south. And behind this front, right there, you can see right on the radar, we're going to see showers and thunderstorms racing to the northeast direction. The winds are going to push it right from southwest Minnesota right through the metro into western Wisconsin as we go through these overnight hours. So we're going to be timing that out. And then if that's not enough, this front will lift north again. It's going to bring some bad weather, some severe weather potentially with it moving north. And then finally another cold front comes through as we get into Tuesday going into Wednesday. And we're not done there yet. Another temperature boundary is going to be moving north and hovering around here Thursday, Friday, quite possibly even into Saturday. Yes, it is going to be a stretch of wet weather. Not constant wet weather, but it's going to show up a lot. Severe weather potential into these overnight hours. We're going to be watching out for some hail, strong winds associated with some pretty intense downpours. And then tomorrow, as that front's lifting north very slowly, I might add, that risk of severe weather moves north with it. And even Tuesday, there's going to be the potential for some strong winds, some heavy rainfall, and some hail associated with those storms. So here we go into the overnight hours. Take a look, southwest Minnesota. Here it is. It's going to be racing in from the southwest right through the metro area. We'll stop it at about 5 a.m. And you can see how these showers and thunderstorms are going to be racing in. So that morning commute, early risers, waking up with some showers and thunderstorms, may break off a little bit into the late morning. But then you can see early afternoon, we're still going to be watching the storms coming at us 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Rain still on the radar, but finally into those evening and overnight hours, it's going to start to lift to the north, and then by Tuesday morning early, it's in northern Minnesota. But notice, you probably saw that Tuesday morning, late Monday, those storms pick up a little more energy, a little more intensity, and that's that severe weather risk. Also, a lot of rain coming with it. For much of the area, flood watch will be in place. A lot of creeks, streams, rivers, low-lying areas prone to flooding will experience rising waters, quite possibly some extended periods of flooding and ponding around the area. But take a look at this. We may not see our warmest temperatures of the day until probably late in the afternoon, early evening hours. This is that front finally lifting north tomorrow, and by Tuesday, it's making its way all the way to northern Minnesota. And again, that strong weather, severe weather risk moves along with it. Check out your 7-day forecast. Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, the chance of rain drops to our southeast. Thursday and Saturday look like a few more rounds. And then finally Sunday, drying out and a little cooler with lower humidity.